Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. This is Nana's Food World. We do food around the world. I'll tell you, you are going to have a lot of inspiration. So do subscribe to my channel and I know that you are going to love it. So today we are doing cream cheese pasta. It's so delicious. So come along with me and let's do this. So guys, to start, I have some boiling water. I add some salt to it and then I put my pasta in to cook. You know, pasta doesn't take a long time to cook. So guys, as you can see, my pasta is cooked, but before I drain it, I need some of the water. Okay, I'll use it in later stages, so come along with me. So guys, I have my pan on fire and I put some rapeseed oil. You can use any oil of your choice. You can use olive oil if you prefer. I add my crushed garlic. Okay, oh, it smells amazing, I tell you. So you cook the garlic for a few minutes because garlic tends to burn a lot, so make sure you don't burn your garlic. Okay, and I add my cream cheese. So that is my cream cheese, and this is the pasta water that I took before I drain it, so that's what I'll be using it for. So make sure it turns so creamy and nice and it's so smooth before you add the pasta. So guys, our pasta is done, so I'm serving it. It smells amazing guys. It's so creamy and delicious, I tell you. So I'm going to add some parsley. This is dried parsley. You cannot make this, but I love it with it. And then the last thing I'm going to add is some grated Parmesan. Okay, add this to it. I tell you, you are going to love it. It makes it so creamy and delicious. So if you like this recipe, just give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching and may God richly bless you. Bye.